Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to log into WhatsApp Web on your computer step by step. You can use QR code scanning or log in using your phone number. So let's get started. First, click on your browser and type WhatsApp Web in the search bar, then press enter. After that, click on the first official website and you will see the WhatsApp Web login page. Now, you have two methods to log in. The first method is by scanning the QR code using your phone camera. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to linked devices, and scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. If you want to log in using your phone number instead, click on Login with phone number. After that, select your country using the drop-down menu if it is not already selected by default. Then type your phone number in the text box below and click on Next. Now on your phone, you will receive a WhatsApp link code for a new device. Enter the code on your phone to verify the login process. Once you complete these steps, your WhatsApp account will be successfully logged in on your computer. Now you can chat, send files, and use WhatsApp directly from your PC or laptop. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.